WhatsApp has developed an application for small and medium companies, which facilitates interactions with the client as it works in a similar way to WhatsApp Messenger doing the same tasks. This application offers tools to automate, organize, and respond quickly to messages. In the profile of the company shows the most important information such as address, email, and website. You have the option of quick answers, which are the messages you send most frequently, answering common questions in a short time. You can organize your contacts or chat through tags to find them easily. Send answers instantly and automated, creating a welcome message or absence messages when you cannot answer, so your customers will not have to wait long for a time to respond. To create a WhatsApp account for business, just download the application and verify your phone number. Keep in mind that WhatsApp does not allow you to have two accounts on the same computer. If you want to make a strategy through WhatsApp for business, you must take into account elements such as your contacts or database with a well-segmented target, and you must create information groups and dissemination lists. Your profile image must be professional. It can be your logo or a corporate image of your company. It is advisable not to be invasive or repetitive with messages. Do not send messages to people who have not responded in a period of less than a week or a month. Send messages to contacts you are sure they are interested in. Avoid that your account is blocked. Take advantage of this application to manage and enhance customer service, receiving complaints, opinions, and more direct and fast attention.